Howdy folks, I'm Alan Butler, Butler Contracting. We're doing simple better. Today we're going to talk about roofs, but more importantly, roof warranties. And what is a warranty when you get your roof, and what should you know about roof warranties? Because they're very important. Sit back, relax, grab your favorite beverage, and let's run through this. So, first thing you should know about roofs and roof warranties. There's a lot of options of different products out there on the market. There's tons of different suppliers and manufacturers of roofing products. And there's different types of, there's lots of contractors out there putting roofs on every day. Okay. Most contractors, they'll find a supplier, a particular brand that they like to put on. Okay. For us at Butler Contracting, we've chosen to work with a couple of different suppliers and brands. One of the ones that we work with specifically is GAF. GAF's been in the shingle making industry since the 1890s. The longest running shingle manufacturer in the world and the oldest. And we really like working with them because, in my opinion, they have the best warranties that are on the market. We want to offer the best quality service and products and experience to our customers. That's why we choose to work with them. Now, some things to know about GAF versus some of the other brands of shingle products out there. Any roof product or roof shingle that's installed on your roof, whether it's a manufacturer defect, Jimmy down the road, I just use Jimmy, I'm sorry if I'm offending any Jimmys. Jimmy down the road just comes out and puts a shingle on your roof. That comes with a standard 10-year manufacturer warranty. Okay, those products are going to be warranted by GAF, for example, for the first 10 years of the life of the roof. If there's a product defect, if Jimmy puts the shingles on upside down or does anything wrong, those things are going to be 100% covered by the manufacturer. Now, where we differ a little bit is after that mark, we're able to offer extended warranties because we're GAF certified contractors. And we have 30 and 50-year warranty options that we can offer as certified contractors. Now, what that allows you as the customer and the homeowner, you get a better peace of mind and much better warranty rather than someone just going to Home Depot or Lowe's, buying shingles and putting them on your home. So if you've got a new home being built with a builder, I strongly recommend and encourage you to have that conversation with your builder. Who's putting my roof on? Are they certified contractors? What kind of warranty do I have with my roof? Because I see that a lot, that sometimes these builders are using third-party folks putting them on. The customer doesn't have all the qualifying products to get an extended warranty, and then they're kind of stuck in the dark about that until something goes wrong, and then they have to figure that out for themselves down the road when their builder warranties run out. So just something to look for if you're building a home or doing a new build. Some other distinguishing factors to understand, or we talked about different products out there on the market. So there's the big ones like GAF, Owens Corning, Certainty. Those are kind of your big three. There's other products on the market as well. They're decent products, but the distinguishing factor again are the warranties. There's what's called a leak and a no leak warranty option. Now, for example, a leak warranty is something that we don't like to put those products on because the product has to have a defect or a malfunction in it, and it has to actually leak inside your house before the manufacturer will do anything about replacing it. Well, there's problems with us for that because one, you're going to be paying out of pocket with an insurance claim most likely. You're going to have damage to your home. You're going to have to uproot and upset your life, stay home from work, move stuff around in your house, have contractors coming in and out, and you're going to have to pay an insurance deductible most likely to fix those repairs in the home and just deal with that whole mess. GAF, on the other hand, they have a leak and they have a non-leak warranty. So if they produce a product that's faulty, malfunctioning, or bad, they're going to come out and take care of that 100% free of charge, regardless if that roof is leaking or not leaking. If they learn that they ran some product that was bad, they're going to cover it and back it, come out and fix it, whether it's leaking or not. So that's another big reason that we like to use that product specifically and stick with GAF because due to that reason. And it helps provide a better quality product for our customers and less risk of a ticking time bomb on your roof. So those are some things about the leak and non-leak warranty. And we talked about what's the standard warranty that you get with your shingles when they're first installed. And the third topic I want to address here today is extended warranties. So as a GAF certified contractor, we can offer extended warranty options. And the reason that we can do that is because we're not just putting on shingles on your roof, we're installing an entire roof system. And because you're buying a roof system with us, and those have different qualifying products from the underlayment, the ridge cap, ventilation, there's all these things that go on your roof other than shingles to keep the water out. And we're putting all the qualifying products on there that all match. So we wouldn't go build a car, for example, with parts from different manufacturers and put it on that car. Same thing with your roof system. You're putting the qualifying products and the parts that go to that roof system all from one manufacturer on the roof to make a whole roof system that's going to last for years to come. And with that, we're able to extend that warranty because we know those products are going to work long term and protect your home. So those are just a few things about roofs and roofs warranties and some things to look for. If you're interested in getting a roof inspection, you need a damage assessment from a recent storm, or just interested in getting an upgrade to your home, or you're building a new home and want to get a roof installed, give Butler Contracting a call. Check out our website, butler.contractors/roofing, and we'll see you on your next project.